How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. If you're like me and you need lots of extra storage expansion, this is the Seagate 10 terabyte expansion drive. And it does work with a PC or a Mac, so not to worry if you have either one of those. Let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing of this and see what all the contents are inside, as this is going to be my main backup storage station. So let's go ahead and take it apart right here. And it looks like we've got another little piece right here. We'll just take that out right there, and let's go ahead and pop it on open. We've got a couple little pieces. Oh, no, these are little tabs I guess you used here. We can just release those, and we'll just pull it right out right there. There we go. All right. Got some good weight to it. And let's go ahead and just pop out this box right here, which has all of our cables and stuff, and see what type of stuff that they include in the box for us here. And we'll go ahead and pop that open. So we've got our power adapter, and our power adapter is definitely one that has the worldwide edition cabling on it. If you live anywhere in the world, you've got all the different types of cables and stuff. Where's our North American one? There's our North American one. So that's the one that I'm going to use. So we'll put all these other ones aside. So that's kind of cool that they give you one for everywhere in the world. So you guess if you travel or whatnot, you can still take this with you. There we go. We've got that all on there. We'll plug that right into the actual hard drive itself. But let's go ahead and see which cable we get included here as well. We do get kind of, this is like the expansion drive. I'm not sure the exact name that they call this cable right here, but it's USB A, and then it goes to this cable right here. And I believe it's USB 3.0 as well, which will give us nice higher speeds. But let's go ahead and get right to the actual hard drive itself right here and have a nice look at it. Looks like we've got some instruction booklets, which I'm sure we're all going to read those. And let's go ahead and pop this right open here. And there we go. So I like the design of it. I love the kind of like modern look of like the diamond shape on there. It says Seagate just right at the bottom right there, and pretty neat little drive. I mean, it's actually smaller than I thought it would be. It's got a decent amount of weight, but I mean, you don't have to worry about that really. There is our side right here, so you can see all the like different types of little design and stuff like that on here. And it looks like these are also will have like a fan and stuff inside to give it some nice heat. Your cable obviously just plugs right into there, and your power adapter right into there. And this one's nice because it does stand right up, so you can leave it standing. I have all your plugs in. Let's do a little bit of a size comparison as well. So I've got the this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, so the big iPhone. And if we can see, we put the hard drive right up there. It's actually quite a small hard drive for a 10 terabyte drive. So very nice, guys. That's your unboxing of the 10 terabyte hard drive from Seagate. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've gotten this one. And also, I will link this one in the description box below. Lots of good sales going on for it right now. So if you want to pick one up, you can. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.